Kung nagbabala ka kumuha ng business ngayong 2024, huwag. Huwag ka muna kumuha ng business hanggat hindi mo nalalaman kung ano ang top businesses to get this 2024. Since 2023, just after the pandemic, tumaas na ang economic value ng Pilipinas just because we opened our borders for tourism, which also means tumaas na ang market value ng Airbnb businesses. And you can even start your own Airbnb businesses just by using house properties or condo properties. Kung nagbabala ka mag-start ng sarili mong Airbnb businesses, pwede kang magsimula by having a condo property. If Airbnb is something that you want to try this 2024 as your business, you can message me or contact me directly